Hello everyone, and welcome to a demo on Shopify POS and also the online store. So basically, I'm going to give you a unified commerce experience in a couple of minutes. Let's first focus on what we have in front of us. So first we have my computer. This will basically embody the online store. Then we have our iPad here, which is going to be the POS system of today. Then we have a barcode scanner just to show you how we can scan barcodes efficiently. We have a little payment terminal, and then we have a printer with us. So first I'm gonna zoom into the POS experience. So I'm basically gonna scan a certain item, buy it completely, and then we're gonna take it to the online store to make sure we have a full unified commerce experience. So I would say, let's dive into it. Today we're gonna buy one of those caps that we have here. So let's continue and buy the cap. Basically, I'm just gonna log into my POS system here. Again, we have the barcode scanner, so I'm just gonna scan the item here. Now it shows up on the screen, it's a cap. I'm gonna add a customer because obviously I try to prepare it a little bit. So I'm gonna add myself here, which is this one. Then the customer has been added. Then we have a discount code just to make sure that I don't have to do the payments here for real. So let's apply a discount code real quick. It's quite easy. It should be CAP, and then I will get a 100% discount. So here you can now see on the POS screen that we have 100% discount, and Sam is gonna be the one who buys the order and thus the cap. So basically, let's go to checkout. It will be marked as paid because we don't have to pay anything. So normally here you would just need to use your payment terminal to make the payment. Then I can print the receipt. This is all connected via a cable normally. You can actually see that it comes out. You can see the little ticket here. It gives the name of the store, it gives the amount, and then you also can see that there is a discount applied basically to it. So let's put that here for a second. I can now take my cap. Because I bought my cap, I'll wear it when I have the demo now, if it fits. It's a bit too small, but okay. We can also email the receipt because there is an email address added to the customer, so I can just click on send. This is really nice because, yeah, the paper receipts, they are helpful, but a lot of people just throw them away. If there is any need for a ticket, you just get them via email as well. Then you can look it up if you are in the store later on. So actually now we just completed the whole POS part of the demo. Now I'm gonna take you to my computer, which again embodies the online store. So basically I can see here now in my orders that an order has been placed. We have received an order from the point of sale for €0. So this is the order that I just created. It is fulfilled because it was a POS order. So it's been taken out of the store directly. It was 100% discount. So we see basically everything that we need to see. It's also linked to the correct customer that we selected in the POS system. Because it's basically one system, you can all see it directly from here. One important thing that I wanted to show now was that we can connect an online experience with an offline experience. We created an automation, it's called, with Shopify Flow, where we say if an order is created, check if that order has been created from a certain POS location. So in this case, it's this iPad. Also, try to search if a certain product was part of that order. In this case, it's the cap. If both of those are the case, you can add a certain tag to that customer. And basically what we're doing here is we're creating a segment of our customers so that we can later on target them via email marketing. So basically, again, what I see here, that actually the tag was added to the customer. So if we then go to our customers and if we click into Sam, you can actually see that he has now the tag cap buyer. Because again, we did the automation before in which we said if he bought this in the POS store and he bought a cap, we just add the tag cap buyer. And then what I did as well is I set up a real quick email marketing automation setup where you can actually say from a trigger, which is when a tag is added to a customer, and if that tag is equal to cap buyer, we send that person an email in which we propose another product that matches the cap. In this case, it's our Commerce Club t-shirt, basically, which is this one. And so what you will see is that I have actually received an email because of this automation that I have set up, in which I add a discount for people that bought the cap in the POS. So basically when I click apply discount, I will be redirected to the online experience, and I will see that a t-shirt with a discount is added to my cart, and I can just check out. This shows the opportunity that you have if you connect your offline POS with your online sales channels, because you can just add different flows and automate everything from a marketing perspective. So this is more or less the demo, and I'll now show why this is super important. So I'll just show the online checkout real quick as well, and then we can actually see both the offline order and the online order in the same backend, which is again the unified commerce experience. So again, this t-shirt is added to my cart. The discount has been added to my cart because the discount is part of the email. And if I then go to checkout real quick, basically my email address is known already because I clicked from the email basically. And then I can just type in my credentials real quick. So just my name, I just add the address, which is our office. There is no shipping apparently, and I can just say complete order. And then the order is completed. I will probably now also get an email from this, which is probably coming in. But this reminds me of needing to show you the email that I got because of the receipt, because that has come in as well already. So like I said before, we had the paper ticket here, but I also clicked on the POS application to send it via email. And so this is where you can see the email as well. And so now when I refresh the email, I see that I received the email for the online order too. And then if we just go back to the orders overview, we can now see that Sam also placed an online store order. And if we just click into the orders, we can see that I bought a t-shirt with a certain discount code that has been applied. So here you can see a unified version of what Sam has bought in the past. So you see the cap basically here because you can click into the orders and all the caps that I bought before to prep for this demo. And then also the t-shirts that I just bought together with you guys during the demo as well. So this is it. Basically, I just wanted to show you the full unified commerce experience. Hopefully this helped. Hopefully this gave you some insight in what you can do in a creative way to combine physical locations and then also online store sales. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.